Some kind of water inflow and actually there's some water under it. So in the bathroom or in the shower itself, there's also seems to be a leakage. I did myself the other day with some silicone, but that has been now only a couple of weeks and it seems like there's still some water.
When you have water outside of your shower, especially in a condo, you really need to be careful. This question just came in, so I thought I'd make a video and tell everyone how to deal with this. Now take a look here. This is a classic shower with a shower head, drain, door, toilet. And in this situation, they discovered there's water coming from underneath the tiles over here. So when they press down on the tile, there's water oozing out. This is a classic example where the shower did not get waterproof properly, and over years and use, the water came out. And to solve this, you just need to tear out the shower, redo it properly, preferably with a system such as the Schulter system that I always use. And that way you take care of this once and for all, and the shower will be good for the next 30 to 50 years.